Good morning everyone. Now in 11th standard we have performed many inorganic section. Now here today is one more practical in inorganic section. Okay, so we will first do theory. So here is one inorganic chemical, ammonium carbonate. Okay, so in ammonium carbonate color and order, so you can see easily here is your ammonium carbonate. Okay, colorless or white powder ammonium carbonate. Here is chemical ammonium carbonate, white powder form. Okay, ammonium carbonate. Okay, now listen. So your color is white. Okay, order, you can easily smell ammonia like smell in order in your ammonium carbonate powder. Okay, now identification of anion. So here we have to perform many tests like dry heating test, dilute sulfuric acid test. Okay, then KMnO4 test, concentrated sulfuric acid test and sulfate phosphate test. Okay, in identification of anion. But here is very important test of with dilute sulfuric acid test, because carbonate is here. Okay, so when we perform dilute sulfuric acid test in identification of anion, then what will happen here? That's appearance of carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2 liberated in this test with dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so OH plus dilute sulfuric acid, so we will get appearance of carbon dioxide. Okay, so here very important part, appearance of carbon dioxide or appearance of CO2 is very important, because carbonate CO3 minus 2 is present in this practical. Clear? So here identification of anion with dilute sulfuric acid, appearance of carbon dioxide, you can easily observe in practical. Clear? So identification of anion, then conformity test for anion. Now OH plus dilute HCl. So when you perform conformity test with dilute HCl, again appearance of carbon dioxide liberated. Okay, in your conformity test with dilute HCl. So again here in this test you will confirm carbonate CO3 minus 2 present. So here is your identification of anion and then conformity test for anion. CO3 minus 2 is present in this practical as a negative ion. Clear? Now in case of positive ion, here identification of positive ion. Okay. Now you all know we have performed many tests, but if zero group is absent, then perform first group. Okay, here first group is absent, then perform second group. Second group is absent, then perform third group. Okay, but in this practical you can see zero group is present as a NH4 plus, zero group. Okay, now in zero group OH plus dilute NaOH. So you can easily find out the smell of ammonia and heat your solution. Okay, OH plus dilute NaOH and heat your solution. So ammonia, smell of ammonia is present in your zero group as a NH4 plus ion, NH4 plus. Clear? So here your first zero group is present. Okay, so here NH4 plus is present. Clear? Then after identification of positive ion, you have to perform NH4 conformatory test. Clear? So in conformatory test you have to perform two tests, OH plus Neisler's reagent. Okay, now very important thing, Neisler's reagent I will perform here, and you have to observe carefully how to prepare Neisler's reagent. Okay, then in conformatory test OH plus Neisler's reagent, then you will get reddish brown PPTs. Okay, reddish brown PPTs with Neisler's reagent. Okay, So your NH4 plus is confirmed in your confirmatory test. Okay, and second one is OH plus picric acid. So you will easily get yellow PPTs. Okay, so again NH4 plus is present in confirmatory test. Okay, but in identification of positive ion zero group, first zero group is present. Okay, smell of ammonia, so NH4 plus. You have to catch NH4 plus. Okay, now negative CO3 minus. Okay, and positive is NH4 plus. So here NH4 plus positive and CO3 minus negative. It means your chemical is NH4 twice CO3 ammonium carbonate. Clear? So here is your theory. Now we will perform practical. Clear? Okay. Okay, now in a practical field, first we will prepare original solution. Okay, so here is my empty test tube. I will take ammonium carbonate. Okay, in my test tube ammonium carbonate. Then I will add distilled water and I will make my original solution. Okay, original solution. So here is your original ammonium carbonate solution. Clear? Okay. So here is your ammonium carbonate solution. Yes. Now here is your original solution of ammonium carbonate. Okay. Now listen. First of all, here in case of identification of anion, we directly perform dilute sulfuric acid test. Okay, because here dry heating test, KMnO4 test, okay, sulfate phosphate test is absent. Okay, so here in identification of anion, we perform first dilute sulfuric acid test. Now look here, appearance of carbon dioxide with dilute sulfuric acid. So here is my original solution. I will take here original, okay, original solution. Yes, and then here is dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, dilute sulfuric acid is here. I will add dilute sulfuric acid and look here, appearance is here. Look, appearance of carbon dioxide is here. Everyone observe. Yes, here is appearance. Okay, you can easily see appearance of carbon dioxide. Clear? Second time I will repeat this. Everyone observe here, original solution. Okay, original plus dilute sulfuric acid. So observe everyone, appearance is here. Look, here is appearance. Okay, so appearance of carbon dioxide is present in your practical. So here carbonate CO3 minus 2 is present in your practical as a negative ion. Clear? Appearance of carbon dioxide. Now in case of confirmatory test, you have to perform with dilute HCl. Okay, same thing, but you have to perform with dilute sulfuric acid. So here is my original solution. Clear? Original. And again, okay, I will use here dilute HCl. Dilute HCl is here. So in confirmatory test, okay, confirmatory test of carbonate. Now again, look here, appearance of carbon dioxide is here. Again look here. Look, appearance of carbon dioxide. Clear? You can easily see appearance of carbon dioxide is here. Look here, appearance of carbon dioxide. Clear? So your test is confirmed. Your confirmatory test is confirmed here. CO3 minus 2 is present in this practical. Clear? Now we will perform positive ion. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now in positive ion, identification of positive ion, your zero group is present. Okay. So in test tube we have to take original solution. So here is your original solution, plus you have to add dilute NaOH and heat your solution. So here is your dilute NaOH is here, NaOH. I will add dilute NaOH, okay, dilute NaOH and heat your solution. So I am heating, I will use burner, okay, I will use burner and heat my solution. Okay, now look here. I will heat OS plus dilute NaOH. Okay, so heating is here with the help of burner. Okay, so here you can observe, you can feel smell of ammonia gas. You can easily feel smell of ammonia gas is here. So look here. Here is a ammonia gas, smell of ammonia. Okay, look here. Okay, smell of ammonia gas is here. So your zero group is present in this practical. Smell of, you have to feel smell of ammonia gas. Okay, practically. So your zero group is present. Okay, NH4 plus is present in this practical. Clear? Now listen, how to prepare Nessler's reagent. So here in confirmatory test, first we will I will give you instruction how to prepare Nessler's reagent. Okay, so here is a 2 bottle HgCl2 and Ki. Okay, HgCl2 and Ki. So you have to take some amount, I think 4 or 5 drop of HgCl2 in your test tube to prepare Nessler's reagent. Okay, here is your HgCl2. Now add Ki. You have to add Ki. So orange pipette is obtained. Clear? Orange pipette is obtained. Now you have to add Ki solution and stir your solution till the pipette will dissolve. So here pipette is will gone. Okay, dissolve. Then add double volume of NaOH. Dilute NaOH. Double volume of NaOH. So I will add NaOH double volume. Okay, so this is your Nessler's reagent. Okay, this is your Nessler's reagent. Okay, now I will add Nessler's reagent into original solution. Look here. Here is your original solution. Clear? And I will add Nessler's reagent. Clear? So reddish brown pipette is obtained here. Reddish brown pipette is. So your OS plus Nessler's reagent, reddish brown pipette is obtained. That's why NH4 plus is present in your practical. Okay. So here confirmatory test for NH4 plus, your reddish brown pipette is obtained. That's why. Okay. Now here next one is OS plus picric acid. So here your original solution, okay, original plus here is your picric acid. Picric acid, I will add picric acid. So your yellow pipette is obtained. Clear? Yellow pipette is here. So your conformatory test. First one is OS plus Naessler's reagent and second one is OS plus here picric acid. So yellow pipid is obtained here. Okay, in this practical. So positive ion is NH4 plus and negative ion is CO3 minus, and your chemical is NH4 plus CO3 minus 2. It gives NH4 twice CO3, ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate is your today's practical, today's your unknown solution. Okay, thank you.